This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series and this is episode 2. In this series we will cover maximum MCQs of Pakistan Affair. So I'm sure that whether you appear for CSS or PMS or any other job exam, this series is going to help you in multiple ways. So in this video we will cover around 23 MCQs and it is about arrival of Islam in Indian subcontinent. So let's start. First MCQ is when Muhammad bin Qasim reached subcontinent. Options are 712, 812, 912, 1012. So the right option is 712. So Muhammad bin Qasim reached in Indian subcontinent in 712. So the second MCQ is Arabs who preached Islam in Indian subcontinent were invaders, immigrants, traders or travelers. So these were traders. So Arabs who preached Islam in Indian subcontinent were traders. So guys, try to stay tuned with this channel because I am trying to cover maximum syllabus in this series, and in the end of every video I will put some question to test yourself. So make sure that you answer those questions, and in this way you will know that how much you have scored and how much you have retained, okay, in your memory. So and I will also mention the answer in the comment section, so from there you can check your answer, and I will ask you to share your marks in comment section even if you score less, so you can know how much you are learning. So stay tuned with this channel. I hope so it is going to be helpful for you. So let's move towards third MCQ. What was the old name of Sri Lanka? Options are Burma, Maldives, Delhi, Ceylon. So the right option here is Ceylon. So Ceylon was the old name of Sri Lanka. Fourth MCQ is who attacked the ship of Muslim women and children? So the options are Raja Dahir, Raja Sahir, Raja Zahir, Raja Abil. So the right option here is Raja Dahir. It means Raja Dahir had attacked the ship of Muslim women and children. Fifth MCQ is Raja Dahir was ruler of Sindh during the dynasty. Options are Umayyad, Abbasiya, Khilafat, Usmaniya. So the right option is Umayyad. So the Raja Dahir was the ruler of Sindh during the Umayyad dynasty. Sixth MCQ is the captured woman wrote a letter for help to whom? So the options are Muhammad bin Qasim, Musharraf, Ashoka, Hajjaj bin Yusuf. So the right option here is Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Sorry. So the woman wrote a letter for help to Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Seventh MCQ is Hajjaj bin Yusuf was then the governor of. Options are Iran, Iraq, Syria, Egypt. So the right option is Iraq. So Hajjaj bin Yusuf was the governor of Iraq. Eighth MCQ is Hajjaj bin Yusuf asked to rescue women and children from. Options are Akmal Brahman, Der Singh, Raja Dahir, none of these. So the right option is Raja Dahir. So Hajjaj bin Yusuf asked to rescue women and children from Raja Dahir. Ninth MCQ is which general was first sent by Hajjaj bin Yusuf to fight against Raja Dahir? Options are Abdullah bin Hinayan, Muhammad bin Qasim, Al-Malaki, Al-Yamani. So the right option here is Abdullah bin Hinayan. So Abdullah bin Hinayan was the first general who was sent by Hajjaj bin Yusuf to fight against Raja Dahir. 10th MCQ is Abdullah bin Hinayan died in the battle with. Options are Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, Aryans. So the right option here is Hindus. So Abdullah bin Hinayan died in the battle with Hindus. 11th MCQ is after Hinayan's death, who was sent by Hajjaj to fight Hindu Raja? So the options are Suleiman, Muhammad bin Qasim, Saleh, Abdullah. So the right option here is Muhammad bin Qasim. So Muhammad bin Qasim was the second general who was sent by Hajjaj to fight the Hindu Raja Dahir. Okay, 11th MCQ is Muhammad bin Qasim's relation with Hajjaj bin Yusuf? So the options are brother, son, grandfather, nephew, or son and son-in-law. So the right option here is nephew and son-in-law. So Muhammad bin Qasim was the nephew and son-in-law of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. 11th MCQ is, when Muhammad bin Qasim attacked Sindh, what was his age? So options are 14 years, 16 years, 17 years, 19 years, and it is very common MCQ, I hope so. You might know it before. So the right option here is 17 years. So he was 17 years old when he attacked the Sindh. Okay, 11th MCQ, 14th MCQ is, decisive battle fought between Daher and Muhammad bin Qasim on which date? So the options are October 12, 712, October 28 on 712, October 18 on 712, November 10 on 712. So the right option here is on 28th of October 712. They fought the decisive battle. There was a decisive battle between Muhammad bin Qasim and Raja Daher. Okay. So the 15th MCQ. Battle between Muhammad bin Qasim and Daher was fought at. Options are Kabul, Alur, Lucknow, Delhi. So the right option here is Alur. So Alur was the place where the battle was fought between Muhammad bin Qasim and Raja Daher. Okay, 16th MCQ is, after capturing Alur, Muhammad bin Qasim conquered which city? So the options are Ahmedabad, Harappa, Karachi, Multan. So the right option here is Multan. So he conquered Multan after capturing Alur. 17th MCQ is, Daher's wife Rani Bai challenged Qasim from which area? So the option is Texla, Rawar, Kirthar, Potwar. So the right option here is Rawar. So the Daher's wife Rani Bai has challenged the Qasim from the area of Rawar. 18th MCQ is, in Rawar fort, Daher's wife fled with how many troops? So these were 12,000 in numbers, 15,000, 14,000, 13,000. So they were 15,000 in numbers. Okay, the second is right option here. 19th MCQ. Who called Muhammad bin Qasim back from subcontinent? So the options here are Abdul Malik, Rahim bin Malik, Rehan bin Malik, Salman bin Abdul Malik. So the right option here is Salman bin Abdul Malik. So Salman bin Abdul Malik has called back the Muhammad bin Qasim from Indian subcontinent. Okay, 20th MCQ is, who was appointed as governor of Sindh after Muhammad bin Qasim? So the options are Tariq bin Ziyad, Suleiman, Yazid bin Muhallab, Abdullah. So the right option here is Yazid bin Muhallab. So Yazid bin Muhallab was appointed as the governor of Sindh after Muhammad bin Qasim. 21st MCQ is, which province of Pakistan is called Babul Islam? And this is again very easy MCQ. So the options are Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, KPK. So the right option here is Sindh. 22nd MCQ is, first Islamic mosque was built in subcontinent in which area? Okay, so the options are Bhambor, Lahore, Multan, Karachi. So the right option here is Bhambor. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Bhambor. Okay. 23rd MCQ is, Muhammad bin Qasim's victory in Sindh has opened what? Okay, the options are first attack on subcontinent by Muslims, open new era of Islam in subcontinent, third attack on subcontinent by Muslims, and fourth attack on subcontinent by Muslims. So the second is the right option here. The Muhammad bin Qasim's victory in Sindh has opened new era of Islam in subcontinent. Okay guys, thank you so much. I hope you have learned something from this series, and it is just a beginning. There are a lot more pile up, so stay tuned with this channel because I am going to cover all the syllabus here. So you will cover maximum syllabus at one place from this channel. I hope so, inshallah. So pray for me as well. Thank you so much.